Pankaj Advani wins CCI Billiards Classic 2025 with 52 victory. Indian cue sport legend Pankaj Advani completed a triple once again by prevailing over Dhruv Sidwala 52 in the final of the CCI Billiards Classic 2025. Sidwala described Advani as a strong character at the table, noting that he was at it throughout the final. In a pulsating contest that ended late on Sunday, Advani, winner of 28 World Championship titles across cue sports, was far from his best in the first three frames. However, the champion cueist seized his opportunity when Sidwala, on a strong break of 94, faltered. Advani capitalized with a visit of 145 to take the fourth frame and level the match at 22. After the break, Advani found the ball rolling his way and his rhythm took control of the match and won the next three frames in a row to seal the title and the top prize of 2.5 rupees lakh. Sidwala, for his efforts, took home 1.5 rupees lakh. The scoreline reflects the high-intensity contest played at the Wilson Jones Billiards Hall of the Cricket Club of India CCI. While there were several misses from both players, Advani ultimately showed he meant business. Having won both the CCI snooker and billiards titles in 2023 and 2024, he repeated the feat again this year. "This win is special to me," said a visibly happy Advani, holding the trophy. After his semi-final win against Ryan Rajmi, Advani had remarked that he was cueing well, a significant admission in the world of billiards and snooker. Swipe left for next video results. Billiards final. Pankaj Advani beat Dhruv Sidwala 52-10 15069, 51 150 821 4895 811 5085 15076, 489646, 42 150 145 136 150 841 335 15069, 421374 Latest blogs.